Hello everyone, my name is Coach Ronald. I am a coach for video editing for content creator coaching. In this workshop, I'm going to show you how to edit your video, how to install your ClipChamp apps. First of all, you go to the Google website and then you go for ClipChamp and you come to this page and you go for sign up. So you can see from the sign up page here, you're going to click on anything, Microsoft, Google or Facebook. When you log in, you're supposed to see the screen like this. So you go for the upper corner, create a video. And after that, you can see there's a lot of things on the left hand side. We have your media, record, templates, music, stock video, stock image, text. So I'm going to show you one by one how to do it. First of all, you have to go for the media. You can add in any animation that you already done earlier to slot in into your media library, such as you can just click from phone, from anything, or you can directly from your computer, whichever you have the information and drag in, then you have the template. Then you can slot in into the track. So you can see from here, we have a track 1 and many tracks here. So we have track 1, track 2, so on. So this is the JPEG file, or we call it a slides. Then we can slot in the slides. Then you have the slides. So first of all, you're going to choose on the left upper column, there is a free and also the size for the setting. You go for 16 by 9, 16 by 9. After that, you're going to create a new template by create a video. So your video will show in a horizontal way. So now the first thing I'm going to teach you is how to crop your slides or crop your animation. Let me show you how to crop your slide. First, you drag your slide into the column, and after that, you're going to move the double arrow to the left or to the right. So you can crop to any timing that you want. The ClipChamp apps that you are using is very simple. You just click one time and do one thing. One click, overlap layers. And you can choose from your phone, from your any folders. But from here, we get from your computer and drag it all the files into the library. And you have the layers. I'm going to put layers by layers. Okay, so the layers by layers, always the lowest layer will be on the bottom, and then slowly, step by step, you're creating the layers from side by side, different layer. So the lower will be the track 1, track 2, track 3, and track 4. Always the higher layer will overlap the old layer, meaning that layer 4 will overlap the layer 3 and layer 3 will overlap the layer 2. So always the upper layer will overlay or overlap the whole thing. So to add in voice effect, we just record all the effect that you have already, or you can hear from the music. Here, you just drag the free version under the track. So the audio, so-called a music audio, will be at the bottom of the audio or at the bottom of the track. So you can see many tracks here, but all the tracks will be graphical at the top and the audio will be at the bottom. So you can cropping your audio as well by seeing the double arrow, same like what you do for your clip. You just narrow it. Alright, then you play your music. How to do the transition effect. Okay, come to the transition effect. You can see there's up here, there are a filter. You can choose the filter by changing the filter and change it to different scenery, black and white and blur and vertical. Alright, can do different thing, or the chromatic, which are very famous now, like TikTok effect. So you just clip it and then that's it. Then you have the effect. So we just delete one and we have the effect. Simple. So we go for next. Now we go for transition effect. So transition effect you can put at between. So how to make the transition happen is to go to the function key here to go for filter and transition. Then we try to do some glitch review. We just put the glitch review in between. So you can see my slide A go to B will be using the transition. Alright, can see the different transition. Okay, continue. We go for graphic effect. So go for graphic effect, we can choose any graphic that you want and go for the filter. So the filter will get for you the different effect, like a glass, a VHF, like something chromatic. Okay, just put here and then we just click one time. Then your graphic will change to chromatic. Alright, very simple. ClipChamp is a very simple app that enables all the students easy to do their job. The last one is the subtitle. Okay, we go to the function key on the left hand side. The left hand side, you can see there's a text. Then you choose your text that you want and drag your text to any empty track. Just put here. Okay, then track put here. Then you can see the track over here, the wordings here. So we just double click it and then you can change anything. Hello, and can change your font size and also the different fonts, different color by clicking here to change to any color that you like, and also the filter for your wordings. Right, then you can adjust your color by exposure, saturation, temperature, those things. Okay, so that is added value for your wordings. So this is the background. You can put at the back something behind to highlight it out soon. Alright, I see you in my workshop soon. And this is my workshop how to edit your video. For more details explanation, there will be on 17 December 10 to 11:30. Okay, you can register yourself at www.anything.net.